So kurtosis, it is a Greek word. Actually, it means bulginess, like how much bulky one thing is. So kurtosis measures the degree of peakedness in a distribution, like where is the peak. And we generally talk, then the normal distribution curve is like this. Normal distribution curve shows that the maximum value is lying at the mean. Here also are some values, here also are some values. So half, this is 50% area lies here, 50% area lies here. So the peakedness, this is the peak. So peakedness of a distribution is known as kurtosis. So generally we come across three types of distributions if we talk about kurtosis. So the first type of distributions can be leptokurtic distribution. Now what is the leptokurtic distribution? In the leptokurtic distribution, our peak is generally very high than a normal distribution. If I have shown you this is a normal distribution, so in leptokurtic series the peak is higher than the normal. So we can say that peak is higher than the normal peak that we generally see. It is very much higher than that. So here in the leptokurtic, this is leptokurtic, our beta is 3. Beta is greater than 3 generally said. So beta is a measure by which we just calculate the kurtosis. The sign of kurtosis is beta. So here in leptokurtic series, our beta will always be greater than 3. Now second type of distribution that you may come across in kurtosis is platykurtic series. Platykurtic series is fully opposite to what you have seen just now. Here it is, we come across a flat peak. The peak is quite flat. It is like a normal line only. So it is known as platykurtic series, and its feature is its beta is always less than 3. As you have seen in case of leptokurtic, beta was more than 3. Here beta will be less than 3. Now third type of distribution that you may come across is known as mesokurtic series or mesokurtic distribution, in which you will see that neither so much peak is there and neither so much flat is there. So it is known as mesokurtic. So you can say here is neither peak nor flat. There is neither very high peak nor very low flat. So here we say that our beta is equal to 3. So it is a normal distribution. Now for the purpose of calculating the kurtosis, Karl Pearson has given betas. So if you have been told to calculate the kurtosis, you will be calculating the beta. And the formula for calculating beta 1 is calculated by, formula is mu 3 square divided by mu 2 cube. We have already seen in case of moments how mu 1, 2, 3, 4 are calculated. The mu's will be calculated in the same manner, and the formula for calculating beta 1, that is the first measure of kurtosis, is mu 3 square divided by mu 2 cube. Now there is another measure, that is beta 2, with the help of which we can calculate the kurtosis. The formula for this is mu 4 divided by mu 2 square. You all know how mu 4 is calculated, how mu 2 is calculated. It will be done as we have done in case of moments. Just you have to apply the formula for beta 2. Now in some cases you will be told to calculate the gamma also. So this is the sign of gamma, and the formula is beta 2 minus. So like this, beta 1, beta 2 and gamma can be calculated. If you have been told to give the interpretation in the question, so you can write the interpretations also in the last after calculating the betas. If the value of beta 2 comes out to be 3, then you will say it is a normal curve, or it may be called mesokurtic. As we have seen in the initial stage, if beta is equal to 3, it will be called a mesokurtic distribution. Second possibility can be if your beta is greater than 3. So we will say that the distribution is having very higher peak and when the peak is higher, it is known as leptokurtic distribution. So this will be the conclusion. The third possibility can be your beta 2 is less than 3. So here we will say that our peak is flat peak and it will be called platykurtic distribution. And if you have to give the interpretations regarding the gamma, that we have just seen the value of gamma, if your gamma comes out to be 0, the distribution is normal. If your gamma is greater than 0, that is, it comes out to be positive, then it is known as leptokurtic. And third possibility is gamma is less than 0, that is, gamma comes out to be in negative, then it will be called platykurtic series. So this is how you will be interpreting various types of series. Now let us see one example. So in this question we have been given 4 central moments are 0, 2.5, 0.7 and 18.75. As these are the central moments, so we know that the first is mu1, second is mu2, 2.5, then is mu3, 0.7 and mu4, 18.75. So now here, if we have to calculate the first kurtosis, that is beta 1. So we have seen that formula for beta 1 is mu3 square divided by mu2 cube. So here we will put up the values. 0.7 square divided by mu2 is 2.5 square. So 0.7 square comes out to be 0.49 and this comes out to be 15.625. The answer will be 0.03139, like that. So the second measure of kurtosis is beta 2 and the formula is mu4 divided by mu2 square. So mu4 here is 18.75 and mu2 is 2.5 square. So solving this, it will be divided by 6.25. So if we have to give the conclusion, our beta 2 has come out to be 3. So it is a normal distribution. Neither the peak is high nor the peak is flat. So it is a normal distribution.